Hello, welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to browse using a VPN without using mobile data to browse. So, first thing first, you need to have an internet connection. So you head on to the Play Store, search for 24 Clan VPN. If today is your first time watching my video, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Make sure you install it and open it. So you click OK. Not now. OK. Yeah, so you are going to click on the three dots. Click on Update to X. Now update to X again. You click on the tag now. Okay. So you look for MTN data bundle daily, 400 megabytes daily. Yeah, so you're gonna look for Ghana MTN 400 megabytes daily. Yeah, I hope you can see it. Yeah, the first one. Then after that you click on OK. So wait for it to connect. And it's now connected. So as you can see here, it's connected. 24 Clan VPN group. So I'm heading to Facebook. Yeah, so I'll be heading to Facebook for you guys to know that this is not fake. This is real, 100% proof. It's not fake. This is not fake. This is real. So as you can see, we are connected. We have access to the internet now. We can browse freely. Yeah, so let's head to the. Okay, I hope you can see that now it's working. So this is an Indian movie. Yeah. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video to friends for them to also know the new trend. And if this video was helpful to you, please kindly like, subscribe, comment and share these to friends. It won't cost your data. Thank you very much.